Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Today is February 18th. I noticed that I forgot to create a video for Valentine's Day, which I ended early at 1 o'clock and then went to Verizon to work on getting some devices and whatnot in order to set up our mobile office and upgrade some stuff and get a hotspot inside of the car to hook the laptop up to be able to stream lives. We're thinking about streaming from morning until mid-afternoon and then dinner rush until midnight, and then possibly some nights doing it from the house for an hour or so. Tracking the numbers where we actually enter in our daily numbers. So things are moving, things are grooving, things are getting in place. We're trying to save up some money, run hard, bank some extra cash to be able to buy some additional equipment that will hopefully be installed somewhere around my birthday on March 11th from Audio Express. The gentleman by the name of Sean over there was my initial contact. So I need to get this stuff in place. He said that if I brought it to him, he would install it. So we've got things like, we've got 3 phones in the car right now. We've got a tablet, a standby tablet. The laptop will be in here. We're going to have a USB hub. We're going to have a power inverter. We're going to have a power strip. We're going to have lighting. We're going to have a dash cam with a 360 view, front, back, and passenger and driver side. And we've got a subscription to StreamYard. We've got OBS installed. We've got a subscription to Canva. So I know that people like Driving Daily, OG Sean White, Aaron's Gig, Craig, I don't know what Craig Ford 1, I think is his username. But, everybody's kind of got their segmented time out of the day. There's really no other time except for me doing an hour when I'm done with my shift, entering in numbers, which we're planning on possibly doing, not necessarily on a regular basis, but popping on every now and then just to update those numbers and letting people catch me before it's time to go to bed. There's millions upon millions of people doing gig work. Currently, I think John has upwards of 200 to 300 people on his lives during the day. Aaron has anywhere from 40 to 80, goes up to 80, I think, after John is done with his. I have no idea about Craig's. Sean, OG Sean White, I believe he's got 20 to 40 in the mornings. So I'm not looking for any loyalty from people in the Mafia group, the Mafia Machine, who graciously came on over and subscribed to my channel. I'm not worried. There's no need for you to abandon any of these other individuals and come on over. I'm not asking that. I don't care if it's just me in the studio doing a live. It's recorded information that's going to go up onto my channel and people can watch it at any time. It'll be content for them to go view. So please do not feel like there's any loyalty that needs to be there. I have not earned your loyalty. We have not talked directly. Just those 4 individuals are the primary people. There's occasionally half a dozen to a dozen other people who will greet me, inside of some of these other lives. So I'm not looking for any of that. I know John says it's not a problem. He has no problem when somebody else is on a live. I think it's really just out of respect. I just introduced myself to you guys. You welcomed me with open arms, which I'm greatly appreciative of, and you can tell I'm getting tired. But there's plans with all this stuff coming into the car to supercharge the YouTube channel, from better descriptions, better hashtags, better thumbnails, just the information that you can use from a desktop in YouTube Studios is much more powerful. Also using vidIQ, all that information, putting on a show, really, not just a guy in a car, but trying to put on a show, inviting people up onto stage. I've got 2 or 3 friends that may want to pop in and just ride along with me all day long, so it won't just be me, and the ability to bring up comments up onto the stage, etc., etc. So there's a different twist that we're going to be putting on it. So and we're working on it. We're working to try and get all this stuff in place so that it's here in my hands, looked at, possibly tested prior to doing anything with Audio Express, but trying to talk to them far enough in advance that we can coordinate my downtime of not working on my birthday to get the car over there, have somebody pick me up, drop off the car, come back and pick it up so that we can hit the ground running on March 12th. And so like I said, I realized that I had not created this video. I'm behind. I haven't posted for the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, last night the 17th. And so all those videos are there. The thumbnails are in place. It's just, I noticed I'm trying to post this stuff in sequential order. I've also got 2 of the dailies done. I'm trying to do a series on dreams. So that information is there. I just need to create some thumbnails and just been running. I've got a lot on my plate right now. So Valentine's Day, like I said, got to Verizon, fell asleep in the lobby, missed my turn, had to go in the queue again, was there for 3 to 4 hours, had to go pick up the daughter, had to go shop, for mom and grandma for a gift, order dinner, pick up dinner. When we went to go pick up the dinner, I guess the company's website was down, so we had to manually place the order. I was the DoorDash driver, figuratively picked up the food, got it home nice and hot. Everybody ate. Great time, spent time with the family, laughed, joked, had a great time. Hopefully you guys had a great Valentine's Day. Hopefully you were able to do something special for your loved ones. Hopefully you're making a little bit of extra cash, that you had some extra doors opened up to be able to go do some fun activities and create those memories and those magical moments. So Valentine's Day is a special day. It's every day, in my opinion, should be Valentine's Day. We should be loving one another, or those special people inside of our life, or trying to woo the person that we hope will someday be our significant other or our partner. It's just a time that we all focus on it. And I know you did. I'm hoping that it went well. I'm hoping that none of you are in the doghouse. I'm sure you're not, because I know that I hang around a bunch of great people. I'm listening to people like Kendra, and listening to John and Sean and Aaron. I have not had a chance yet to go on out to Craig's, but I'm sure that listening to what John says about Craig, that Craig's an amazing guy as well. So I'm trying to surround myself with like-minded individuals who are success-oriented, who are deep thinkers, who don't just follow in somebody's footsteps, but create their own destiny, but are willing to listen to ideas and burn it in the fire, use what they can use, and throw away the rest. Nobody's got all the answers, but together we can all succeed and figure out and MacGyver whatever we need to in order to make things happen. So keep surrounding us. Keep engaging with us. Keep asking questions. It's the questions that's the secret to success. You don't have the answers, but if you put it on out there in the world, somebody does. And from that, it gives you an on-ramp into learning something else. So with that, I'm going to end this message, go inside, and hopefully tomorrow I should have all of the nightly recaps posted and work on my third video in a series for the Dream Giver. With that, you all have a great night and continue to go, go, go.